Hello guys, this is Shreya and today I'm going to tell you about CRM. Guys, I will tell you about CRM of SPG Technologies, that is Salesnayak CRM. So guys, as you know, India is a growing country and most of the businessmen in our country are small scale businessmen, right? So guys, here you can see every kind of businessman, like you can see traders, you can see service providers, you can see the people of manufacturing industries. Many kind of businessmen are there in our country, right? And guys, the concern of every businessman is the growth. They are concerned about how to maintain the growth of their business and how to make their business to reach the top level of success from a small scale business to a very successful business, right? So guys, how you can make use of this CRM to grow your business? Today I will tell you everything about that. Guys, I will tell you that what is the use of this Salesnayak CRM for your business. How you can make use of this Salesnayak CRM for your business. What are the benefits of that and why you should take the CRM of SPG Technologies, that is Salesnayak CRM. Right? So guys, I will tell you everything about that today. So guys, as you see that we use many kind of marketing tactics to grow our business, right? We use many kind of marketing techniques to grow our business and for the growth of our business, right? But guys, the most important factor of all the techniques and of all the things in our business is lead. What is this lead and how we can maintain this lead through the use of CRM, right? So guys, with the help of our CRM of SPG Technologies, you can track the status of your lead, right? You can track the status of your lead, like your lead is in which status. What is the status of your lead? Your lead is hot, your lead is cold, or your lead is not interested, right? You can track everything about your lead, right guys? So you can track if your lead is not interested, then why he is not interested, right? Why he is not interested, you can also track from our CRM, right? You can also take the complaints, you can also take the updates about your complaints regarding your services, regarding your employees. Everything you can take, every update you can take with the help of our CRM, right guys? So guys, you can know everything about your lead with the help of our CRM, right? Now guys, after lead, another important factor which is also most important factor from the point of view of your marketing is inquiry. So you can also track the status of your inquiry, that what inquiry has come to you, what they have asked, what questions they have asked, what messages they have given to you, what are their complaints, what are their remarks. Everything you can track and every update you can track from our CRM. Right guys, every update you can take with the help of our CRM. So guys, it is another important factor. Along with lead, you can also track inquiries about your business, right? And after this guys, another important thing comes quotation. When your lead comes, you provide him quotation. So guys, with the help of our CRM, that is Salesnayak CRM, you can track the status of the leads of or the quotation of even 2 years, 2 to 3 years or even many years back. You can track the status of leads, quotations, inquiries, anything, whatever you want of many years back also. So guys, you might think what is the use of tracking the status of quotation of 2 to 3 years back, right? This question might arise in your mind. So guys, I would like to tell you, suppose one thing, suppose your manager has given quotation to anybody, right? And after that your manager has left the job, right? Your manager has left the job and you want to know what quotation he has given, what quotation he has given to your client, right? So if you want to know, what you will do, you will go to your client or you will find by something else or you will go to your manager. You can't do these things, right? So guys, Here you will get the service of our CRM, and with the help of our CRM you can track the status of quotations of 2 to 3 years back, of leads, of inquiries, everything. Whatever you want to know, you can take the status and updates of 2 to 3 years and many years back, right? So guys, it is another benefit of our CRM. And guys, along with that, one thing, we also generate invoices, we also generate sales order, work order, many things we generate, right? So guys, here you will get many benefits in our CRM of SPG Technologies, right? So guys, if you want to know many things and if you want to grow your business, you must take the CRM of SPG Technologies. And guys, after that, we also do many other things, like we also maintain installation services, right? We also maintain installation services. For example, you provide the purifier installation services, right? You provide purifier installation services. So what you can do with our CRM? So guys, you can track the status, like where your employee has gone, to which client your employee has gone, at what time and where he has gone, what remarks he has got from them, and if there are any complaint. If there is any complaint, then what complaints are there. Everything you can track from our CRM of SPG Technologies, right? And guys, after that, another thing which is most important thing from the point of view of your business, that is product management or project management, right? Project management is another important factor which is most important from the point of view of your business. Because guys, if there is any mismanagement in your project, then you cannot make any growth in your business, and this is the biggest reason of downfall of any business, right guys? So guys, with the help of our CRM, you can track, like when you got your project, what is the status of your project, what work is going on in your project, which manpower is working, which employees are working, what are the inventories used in your project, right? Many things you can track. And what is the time foundation of your project, when how much time is left to complete the project. Everything you can track from our CRM, right guys? Everything you can track about your project in our CRM. And guys, believe me, this will help you so much to grow your business if you will manage your project effectively, right? So guys, next thing which you also can manage with our CRM is that employee payroll, right? Employee payroll you can manage with the help of our CRM, like how many payrolls are there, which employee, the salaries of employees, attendance of employees, when they come, when they don't come, when they go, everything you can manage and track with the help of our CRM services of SPG Technologies. And guys, these are not the only services of our SPG Technology CRM, that is Salesnayak CRM. These are not the only services. Many other services we also provide, and time will go continue, but services will never end, right? Whatever your business is, we will provide you services of CRM accordingly, right? So guys, these are not the only services. Whatever your business is, you can take the services of CRM according to that, right guys? So guys, if you need our assistance, then you can call us on our number which I am giving you. You can note down that number, that is 990390 197. If you will call on that number, then you can take the assistance of our CRM services, right? And guys, one most thing which you must keep in your mind is that data is the most important thing, and you have to manage the data. If you are doing any business or if you want to manage your business, then data is the most important thing which you have to manage in any business, and that helps you to grow. So guys, this is the benefit of Salesnayak CRM, which you can take. You can take the benefit of Salesnayak CRM, and with the help of our CRM, you can manage that data, and you can use that data to maintain the growth of your business and to reach your business at the top level of success. So guys, if you need our assistance, then please call us and take our services. Thank you so much guys.